Hey, what is going on, everybody? It's been a minute since I tapped in with y'all.
Yep.
I've been super busy, had my anniversary, a lot of work stuff going on, but I just want to tap in with y'all and see how y'all doing, how y'all be. You feel what I'm saying? Hey, on my end, I am blessed beyond measure. It has been a great past 2 weeks, you know what I'm saying? Celebrating 21 years of marriage. It's always a blessing, especially nowadays. But when it comes to sneakers, hey, I ain't been copping much, but I did end up copping these sneakers right here, which are the Caitlin Clark Kobe's, which a lot of y'all don't like these for whatever reason. But outside of that, this short has been going viral for me. A lot of you guys have had opinions when it comes to this topic about me saying that these Griffiths is gonna sit, and a lot of y'all are saying that they didn't sit because they sold out on the sneakers out. But if you're walking in the stores, I've done on a lot of my videos, my vlogs that I've recently done, these things, not only are these sneakers in stores available in multiple size variations, but also the foam posits and a lot of other stuff as well. And this is not a bad thing. This is something that I love to see happen. But I do think that we're getting to the point where people are really being selective, man. You see a lot of content creators making all these videos about Jordans being dead and sneaker game being dead and stuff like that. The sneaker game is in a stable and very good position, in my opinion. It's in a place where if you're a newbie trying to get into the sneaker game, I feel like that this is the perfect time and you're feasibly financially able to do so. And also, if you're one of those people that you just got shoes that you don't put on feet and you don't wear, you're at a time where you're kind of forced to kind of like sit on this lost profit, and you're like, you know what, let me offload and let me see what I'm actually going to narrow down to my collection, and just reminding us to put these things back on feet, man. That's what I've been doing lately. I was one of those sneaker collectors that I allowed the pandemic to cause me not to put things on feet. I ended up getting a fully remote job and I wasn't putting stuff on, but hey, now I've been putting stuff back on feet. I offloaded a lot of sneakers that I knew I wasn't gonna wear, that I bought for content purposes. So if you're not following me on IG, man, follow your boy. Follow my boy Plenty the Hardaway as well, just within the community that he's got going on. A lot of the fit battles and stuff, like just people encouraging people to wear your sneakers and look good while wearing them. Hey, bro, follow them. I'm going to put everything down in my description section. But make sure you guys are definitely following me on IG. Follow my dog Plenty the Hardaway on IG as well. Now, when it comes to upcoming sneaker releases, June is packed full of a lot of stuff, and one of the things that I'm definitely looking forward to is going to be the Kobe draft day pack. But I don't care about all the multiple colorways that wear off and stuff like that. I just care about this one right here. This Lakers colorway is one that I gotta have into my collection. This is not a sneaker that he wore, but I love everything about the purple and gold concept of the sneaker. This is something that I definitely will be adding to my collection. Outside of that, man, I don't know. I ain't really been too much off into the sneaker releases when it comes down to what's dropping. It's a lot of reachbacks that I'm gonna get, especially like the low diamond turfs. I feel like those are sneakers that people were like, oh, they're gonna sell out, but they're sitting everywhere. So I definitely will be reaching back to get those. And just stay tuned, man. I'm gonna be doing a lot more content. But one of the things I did tell you guys is that in 2026, it's going to be me collecting more Kobe's, building up that Kobe collection and reaching back, grabbing some of the Kobe's. So I will be, my birthday is at the end of this month, and I will be picking up a Kobe that I've been trying to get for a while. Y'all stay tuned. It's in process. You feel what I'm saying? So I'm excited about that, to share that with you guys, unbox that sneaker, and finally get into my collection. But y'all let me know what y'all looking forward to in the month of June. I kind of just want to tap in with you guys. It's been a minute since I said anything or dropped a video, so I just want to say what's up. But I will be dropping more videos upcoming weeks. It's a lot of stuff that's going to be going on within the sneaker community. So yeah, I appreciate you guys. I love you guys. Make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that hype button, and follow me on IG at Kicknology. And I appreciate y'all. Y'all know the saying, man. Rock like numbers hype. Remember everything we talk about. Just bait. Wait for me to share my faith. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got two.